Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee and I'm back today with a unboxing. So you may remember a few weeks ago I had entered into Judy's swap for the month. Her channel is My Scrapbook Loft, which her channel will be linked below, and she was hosting a challenge to make a tassel, and I had sent in the pink swan tassels. So you send in 3 and then you will receive 3 back. So what Judy does is she gathers everything together and then she takes 3 different ones and she sends them out to everybody. So here is the package and we're going to open it up and we're going to see which 3 tassels I received. Did I get them all out? Nope, there's one more. So she wrote a note and it says, "Dear Wendy, thank you so much for joining in the swap. Your tassels were lovely. Just know that Donna and I appreciate you so very much. Hugs and God bless, Judy, My Scrapbook Loft." Oh, that's sweet. Excuse me. I wish I would have put my name on my tassels. I'm such a dork. I did not do that. Okay, so the first one is from Carolina Bug. I think I'm subscribed to Carolina Bug. If it's the Carolina I'm thinking of, I'm going to link her channel below. So hers came with this pretty paper and oh, how pretty. Look at that butterfly. Oh, look at those beads. Those beads are beautiful. Oh, look how cute that little butterfly is at the end there. What is that? Oh, that's a little key. And we got the butterfly and the pretty beads. And she put a silver clasp on top. How pretty. So that was from Carolina Bug. I just want to say that with a southern accent. This is from Lease Gaines. How pretty. Let's see, where do we open this at? Excuse me. Okay, so we have this gorgeous butterfly and this cute little owl. And look at all the pretty trims and ribbons she used on that. How pretty. So there's that one, and we've got a lobster claw on the top of that one too. And then we have this one. This is from Rhonda Hancock. I'm gonna go to Judy's channel, and because she usually links everybody when she does the unveiling videos, and I will link these ladies if they have any kind of channels or social media. Oh, look at this, is so pretty. Oh, is this tied up? Oh no, it's got one of those gems on it that keeps it sticky. One of those sticky gems. Oh, look how pretty. That's a that is a really pretty mermaid. And then she has a mask charm and a butterfly. And she's got one of these types of clasps that you pull and open. I forgot what those are called. Oh, look how pretty that bead is, where it's like clear, crackly, and look, I've been painting, so I've got stuff all over my hands. And then it's got like turquoise and red in it. That's so neat. And that pretty ribbon bead, and then look at all the pretty trims and ribbons she included in that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So those were the 3 tassels I received, you guys. Some of you had said you wanted to see which ones I received when it came in the mail. Well, your wish is my command. There you go. That's what I received. Thank you so much, Judy. Thank you to all the ladies that sent their tassels in that I received. And like I said, I will link any of their social media below if they happen to have one. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.